You know, when you have your Postgres database, and this is valid for satellite or not, like if you have your database in your environment for any other reason, and sometimes you're looking for to create some reports, something like CSV format. If you do a query on database, you know that the response will not be by default in a CSV format, and this can be like problematic. The main point of this video is I'm gonna share some tips of how you can proceed just to export this information in a CSV format. So let's go to the video. We have here a satellite. Let me just show you this, like one brand new satellite, 6.17, two content hosts, but today let's go to the CLI. Basically, I can do some queries, something like this. I really love this. Select star from hosts. This is basically an echo, like nothing fancy here, but I can pass this to my Postgres user and I can connect to one specific database, in this case, foreman. And this will bring a lot of things. And this is definitely not a CSV format. Let's say that I would like to bring just ID and name. I can change my query to ID and name. And then, okay, we are better, but once again, this is not a CSV. This is something that I have to do a lot of parses just to get this in my spreadsheet. So let me share some comments that will be good for this exercise. The first one is this, exactly the same as we typed above. Basically, I'm doing an echo and I'm passing this to this user Postgres, and then I'm calling the command. In this command, I'm saying, hey, let's call the psql, this one binary, connecting directly to the foreman database. Basically, that's it. And on this foreman database, let me do this query. Simple like that. And the output, we can see, it is something like this. Now, we can play with something like -a and -f, comma. So let's see this output. Much better. Now I can see something like CSV. I have my header. I can see the delimiter here is comma, but I still see something that is not part of my CSV. Can I improve this one a little bit? Definitely. Let's take a look on this. I'm adding -t for this query. And now I lost that one, the last one. That's good. But I also lost my header. So eventually you can be playing with like, okay, let me do this command and I can remove my last line just to keep a CSV. And this is good. This is valid. But now, and this is the time that totally deserves your subscription. As I always say, feel free to go to your manual page, take a look, dive, do your research. The command that we are passing some flags here is psql. So man psql. Let me resize this a little bit. And we can see some flags, like I can see my -a, no align. I can see my -c, and then I can pass some commands. I can see or I can search by -f, and this is my separator. Because of that, we can see now the comma because we are setting the separator. But what if I tell you, hey, you are spending your time because maybe, only maybe, far away, there is a --CSV. Really? And what this is gonna do? Switch to CSV, comma separated values, output mode. No way. Yes way. I will not clean up the screen. I will just keep this one. Let's remove everything here and just say --CSV. And voila. And from here, you can do something like tmp my report.csv. And whenever I try to import my report.csv, check this out. I have my header, delimiter is comma, and I have my ID, and I have the information. And this was just for the fields ID and name. Can I do this for all the information, everything? Definitely we can. If I put here my star as before and do a double check, now I'm gonna clean up the screen. You got the point already. You can see all the information. This will be my header. And then you can see all the fields separated by comma. Here, here, here. This is the first row, the first entry. This is the second one. This is the third one, and go on. So definitely this is one amazing way to export your data in a CSV format, just playing with one specific flag. And once again, very, very important, always rely on the manual page, because the manual page is and always will be your best friend. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.